In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Minecraft with RTX on PC. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up ray tracing, widely known as RTX or even shaders by some people in Minecraft on PC. I'm gonna be teaching you how to do this on Minecraft Bedrock. The feature is primarily available here, which, like I said, is referred to as RTX, but you can also use standard shaders on Minecraft Java. So first, I'm going to teach you how to set up ray tracing through a resource pack, and then I'm going to showcase a method that is going to work for some specific worlds, and it is the original and official implementation of ray tracing. So first, if you want to use a resource pack to get ray tracing, the pack that you have to download is this one, Vanilla RTX. It is hosted on the mcpedl.com website, also known as Minecraft DL, made by CubeEar. All that you have to do on this page is to click on the option to skip to downloads and then download it here, Vanilla RTX 1.21. So click on the option to download and you will receive the file. Now it's as simple as running this file. So you will have the MC pack file here, open it up, and immediately it is going to be imported into Minecraft Bedrock. Now once it has been imported, go into settings, global resources, and at first it is going to be here under my packs. Just click on it and then activate. Once this is done, you will be able to join any world just like the one I was playing in, and you will see the ray tracing effects. Now if you want to try out the native ray tracing feature, like I said before, that was officially implemented here, you will need to download a specific map that supports it. So if you go to the marketplace and you look for RTX, you can find plenty of different maps that offer ray tracing. So you click on any of these, choose the option to acquire them, and once you have acquired, download the map. Once you have the map downloaded, it's as simple as creating the world and joining. Immediately when you join, ray tracing might not be enabled by default. So to enable it, you can go over to the settings at any point, scroll down, and usually under video, you will find the option to enable RTX, assuming that you have a graphics card that supports it. As soon as you enable ray tracing, it is going to be visible in this world and you will be able to play with the game in ray traced. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Minecraft with RTX on PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.